have already floated the name of Mar Rojas.
Yes.
Does he know that? Have you spoken to him after floating his name, Congressman?
Well, there are people close to Mar who are also convincing him na baka naman handa na yung mga tao dahil nakita naman natin for the last 12 years na 9 years na nakita natin na dahil popularity naging choice ng mga tao, nagkaganito yung bansa natin. Kung baka pwede naman na ipaintindi natin sa mga mamamayan, dapat ang pangunahin nating criteria is qualifications. And we think that when it comes to qualifications, competence, integrity, it's Mar Rojas. At noong 2010 to 2016, yan yung economic tiger ang ating bansa. Yung credit rating natin tumaas, wala tayong naging masyadong utang, naging zero backlog yung classroom sa Pilipinas. Kung nagpatuloy lang sana yan, 2016, at pinili ng mga Pilipino yung qualifications over popularity, siguro maulad na Pilipinas after 9 years. So ngayon, baka pwede mag-reset. Huwag tayong, dapat siguro magbago yung mga Pilipino. Paano sila pipili ang kandidato?